Want to download the CapCut app on your iPhone? In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to do it quickly and easily, so be sure to watch until the very end to fully understand the tutorial. To begin, open the Apple App Store. Then, tap the search icon located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Next, tap the search bar at the top and type in CapCut. Once you've typed it, go ahead and hit search. Now, look for this exact app, CapCut Video Editor, and tap on it. Once you're there, simply press the Get button. To confirm the download, just double-click the side button on your iPhone. CapCut will now begin downloading and installing onto your device. And that's it! You've successfully downloaded CapCut on your iPhone. That brings us to the end of this tutorial. If you have any questions about the steps, feel free to ask in the comments section below. If this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials just like this one. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.